In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy Solana on MoonPay. So if you want to buy Solana on MoonPay, what you have to do is launch open MoonPay application. You can see over here MoonPay application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in the home interface, you'll be able to find this option for buy. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the buy interface. You'll be able to select the asset to buy. You'll be able to see the popular tokens over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for Solana. So what you have to do is tap on it. If you do not find it over here, you can also search for it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to buy the SOL. You'll be able to see the amount over here. Simply tap on the option of your choice, or you can also simply tap on this field. Now you can manually enter the amount of Solana that you would like to buy. After you do that, what you have to do is tap on this option, continue with Solana, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, in order to proceed to other steps, your identity needs to be verified. So make sure your identity is verified. Right now, identity verification is not available in my region. So I'll not be able to do it, but I'll tell you what to do. If your identity is verified, you'll be led to another interface. In another interface, what you have to do is complete the payment. You can pay directly. You can simply pay using a credit or debit card, bank transfer, or another available payment method, or you can also use the MoonPay balance in order to pay it. After that, what you have to do is follow the prompts in order to review your order and complete the checkout process. Now, after you complete the checkout process, what you have to do is simply complete the transaction. After the transaction is confirmed, your Solana will be deposited on your account. So that is how you buy Solana on MoonPay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.